Hi everyone and welcome to my studio. So this morning feels really peaceful. I've got my cup of coffee and I'm just sat looking out at the fields, and it's a gorgeous spring day. I've got a couple of wisteria pieces that have been sat there for maybe 2 years, maybe more, and I'm really anxious to get stuck in. I've been waiting for the inspiration to hit and I feel like it's finally there, and I'm really excited to get going with them. So that's the plan for today, with a couple of little other jobs in between. So yeah, let's paint. So I think this painting is now finished. I've been painting for like probably about an hour, like maybe a little bit more, and I think it's finished. I'm really happy with it and I'm excited about it, and that's when I know, like when I've reached that stage where I think it's done. So as far as updates from the studio go, I have recently put up loads of new prints in my Etsy shop. I'm really excited about that because I feel like if I put like an artwork in my Etsy shop and then it sells, it's no longer there. So it's almost like having a gallery with nothing in it. So I feel like when my prints are in my shop, it gives more of an idea of what my art is about. So I'm really happy about my prints. I've got a few here that I can show you actually that I got as samples. These are just some of the samples that I got. I'll show you the big proofs actually because I think some of you might be quite interested in the process. This is one of my favourites, which is a foxglove print. And I will link all these in the description box as well. This is another favourite of mine called Flourish. I just really love like the intensity of the reds and the turquoise, and I feel like it's really romantic. So that's probably one of my favourites. And then the peony print as well. And yeah, I'm just going to get out the samples to show you guys because I think some of you might be quite intrigued. And with the colour matches, this is how I like check that all the colours are right. So as you can see, I get these huge prints with all my artworks on. And this is how I go through them all and check that the colours are right. So as you can see, they are big pieces of paper but with smaller paintings on. And these are all the little prints that I've got in my Etsy shop. And they're actually really cute. Like, I kind of want to cut them out and display them somehow. So if you guys have any idea of how I can display these, obviously apart from just putting them up the way they are, I can sort of go through each one. I check if there's any mistakes, check the colours are right with the original, and then they get signed off. So as a quick interlude in today's art vlog, I thought I'd show you something else that I've been really into recently, and that is sowing seeds. So I thought I would show you all my little seeds that I've got growing at the minute. I've really discovered gardening and it has been so good for my mental health. I really struggle with anxiety to the point where it definitely affects my daily life and stops me from going places and doing things that I want to do. I also struggle with depression on and off, like not all the time, but it comes in waves. And gardening has been an absolute lifeline for me, especially in this whole coronavirus thing. That should be a new swear word. But also, it's been such a big part of my life that I want to share it with you. Also, please excuse the garden. It is an absolute, it's a building site at the minute because we're doing the garden for this year and we're hopefully going to be landscaping it all. So it is an absolute tip at the moment, so please don't judge me. But I'd love to show you my little seeds I've got growing. So here we've got some erigeron, we've got some ox daisies at the back. These are white cosmos called Purity, and some snapdragons. And then the same, I think these are, yeah, these are some salvia there at the back. And then I've got some echinacea. I think these are, yeah, these are echinacea purple. I also have some white ones growing. And we've got some more snapdragons. This is a little mixture of lots of different things. And then some verbena. This is Ami Majus. Some more verbena. These are, oh, I don't know how to say this. Brachyscomi multifida. I think they're like little blue and white daisy type. They're not daisies, but they look a little bit like that. And then we have some more echinacea. So yeah, lots growing. Okay, so next we have this one to finish and, you know, get lost in the inspiration.